So today we are going to dye Gabby's hair for the first time ever, and then I'm just gonna like put some pinks back in. So this is exciting, and there's going to be like a little video about it. Wanna start? Are you ready?
I'm honestly pretty nervous.
Okay,
yeah, we'll be fine though. Let's do it.
Okay. We tested it and it doesn't show up at all. Like you can't see it. You can't see that it's there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to bleach some parts and then we're gonna dye it. What we're using is the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength Bleach.
I don't feel nervous because you're doing it.
Aww. We're gonna do super small tiny chunks all the way. And then kind of go in like this. So I'm gonna fold it up. That's how much I went up. The lowest part of Gabby's hair is done. We did some that was pretty high up, and then I showed her if she was happy with that, and then the rest of the hair we had left, I just did like pretty down low, because this is her first time and I don't want to go too extreme, and then now we'll just keep going up and up and up. We just rinsed out the most bottom layer because it has been in there for quite a long time. And this is how it came to. So now we're using the leftover bleach just to like have some highlights. Honestly, we're just trying to use up the bleach because I'm stingy. So Gabby's hair is bleached. We're just gonna take this off and then she's gonna wash it and then we can start dyeing her hair.
Ooh, girl. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I like it.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is such a white girl thing. Like an ombre. Don't you know? Like,
Gabby has decided that she's gonna keep her hair like this for a while because I think it looks so cute. But since it's already bleached, like, might as well keep it for a while so she can like have different like hairstyles, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, and it's like 1:30 a.m. and I really want to sleep, and I like bleached some parts, so Gabby's gonna help me dye it tomorrow.
So I'm keeping my hair like this for now. And Coco is going in with her hair. She's gonna make it more pink. She's covering up the orange.
Yeah,
that
I don't
you
like
see
that.
Here. Look at her go.
So I just washed my hair after leaving it in for like almost 2 hours, which is way too long. So that's how it looks right now. This video was like, it went like off the rails really fast. Hi guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. A bunch of girls, my friends, and I were going out to ice skate, and then we're going to go to the Chicago Diner, which is like an all vegan restaurant. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like. It's really pink. So what we did was we went in and selected some more parts to bleach, and then we dyed it all pink. As you can see, some parts are still a little bit like light pink, but others are more like this dark pink. Have a great Valentine's Day. Goodbye.